How's it going, fam? Hope you guys are having a phenomenal day. Mauricio back with you guys on another quick little lesson when it comes to the day today. We're going to be talking about commodities, right? One of the commodities, which is going to be gold. As far as this trade, you guys will be able to see the befores and afters on the previous video, so I highly recommend you guys to go see those videos. I actually spoke about this trade before it had happened, and you guys can clearly see market came to downside a little bit more, and then had it rally to the upside, collecting 236 pips, right? This was a very nice trade. Now again, when it comes to these trades, they're not the best risk rewards I like to go ahead and trade, but I do like to trade these due to the fact that they move so quick, and also pip wise, they do collect a lot of pips, right? This was actually a 1 to 4 risk reward. Over here we had a nice 1 to 10, and then currently the trade of the day today we had a 1 to 2.6%, right? Meaning that for every 1%, we could have gained a potential of 2.6% on this trade. Now, when it comes to this trade specifically, very simple. I really try to simplify as much as possible. The way I was looking at this was one, major areas where I want to go ahead and pay attention to, but at the same time, understand on what type of schematic we are at, right? Are we in accumulation? Are we a distribution schematic? Right now, it looks like we were at a accumulation schematic. At the same time, we had touched a spring. So this right here is our spring, which has taken out a lot of buyers, okay? Has taken out a lot of buyers because a lot of buyers have their stop losses down below this area, and that's why you have that big wick to the downside, right? And also it has brought in a lot of sellers. It has also brought in a lot of sellers in this zone right over here because a lot of individuals started to go to the upside, started seeing that this was a nice pullback, and people started to go in for selling positions. Now, did I take these selling positions? Yes, I did take these selling positions today, yesterday as well, to downside, and I took these buying positions as well the day today. Now, for you guys that can see, you guys will be able to identify that, here is our before image when we got in that trade, and people were able to jump on this trade as well on our live session that we go ahead and provide. If you want to go ahead and join the free Telegram where I go ahead and send out more information as far as, some insights on the market and understand when is that I upload new videos, that's going to be the first link on the description down below. Feel free to go ahead and follow that so you can get insights on that. And as always, like, comment, subscribe. Help us out with those likes because it's really all it is that we ask for when it comes to us providing more information to you guys. Now, when it comes to this scenario, you guys are able to see some really nice price action. We're going to go over to the 5-minute time frame. And I want you guys to really pay attention to this right here, okay? What is it exactly that we're paying attention to? Now, you guys can clearly see that we had a spring from the past. We were basing ourselves off of this line right here. We had a spring to the past, goes all the way to the right, and right underneath that spring, we had a lot of liquidity that was being created up over here. There was a lot of liquidity that was being created. Now, that liquidity had to be taken out. And the way that liquidity was taken out was based off of this candle right here. And one of the reasons why I didn't really want to enter on this candle right here was because it did create some very nice equal lows, and I was kind of iffy about that. So I wanted to go ahead and wait for some more price action. And I actually did wait for more price action. I waited for the 15-minute time frame price action, and I was able to identify that market had created a very nice morning star, right? It had created a very nice morning star. And one thing that I saw right here, that it did not just make that morning star, it also went ahead and created a bullish engulfing candle. Now, typically, when market creates a bullish engulfing candle, I see that market retraces it at least 50 to 75% of that candle. As you guys can clearly see, market did retrace for at least 50% of that candle, which was ideally the area that we were looking for those buying positions, which was where we entered for those buying positions. And we entered somewhere around this area right here. Let me go ahead and mark it up for you guys. We entered somewhere within this area right here to the upside. So currently right now we are running at about 157 pips. For the people that were on the live that kind of entered a little bit later, they went ahead and entered over here on this scenario, which they were up at a potential of 137 pips, currently running at 126 pips. We're about 17 pips shy from take profit, but so far this is a quick 100 plus pips that you could have gone ahead and gained. Not the best risk to reward, but pip wise, it is something that can go ahead and definitely flip your account, help you flip your account a lot faster. So let me know in the comments below what it is that you would like to see, right? I want to go ahead and start doing some more information. I want to be able to provide to you guys things that you want to see, and not just before and after clips of trades, because this is getting a little bit old, I could say, but I would really want to be able to help you guys out. So go ahead and comment down below what it is that you would like for me to go ahead and talk about on the next session. So with that said, guys, thank you guys for joining on today's lesson. And as always, click that like like button as much as you can. Let's go ahead and support so that we can go ahead and provide more information. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great one. Bye-bye.